Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Defending champions Cavalier FC suffered a 2-0 defeat at the hands of Cibao FC of the Dominican Republic as the 2025 CONCACAF Caribbean Cup kicked off on Tuesday night. In a repeat of the 2024 final where Cavalier prevailed on the away goal rule after a 2-2 aggregate, the Jamaica Premier League champions found themselves behind when Omar De La Cruz opened the scoring in the 20th minute. The points were secured when Carlos Ventura made it 2-0 in the 73rd. Meanwhile, Captain Sule McCullough scored a 35th minute winner for Mount Pleasant FA to give the St. Anne-based club all 3 points against 2023 winners SV Robin Hood. Mount Pleasant ended the game with 10 men after big summer signing Warner Brown was sent off for dangerous play after just 10 minutes. Cavalier and Mount Pleasant will be back in action next week in round 2. Mount Pleasant will play away to Mocha of Dom Rep, while Cavalier will be at home to Juventus of Haiti. There is still no clarity around whether the Jamaica
that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.
To the referees told